Hi, it's Bernadette Janson here, and I've got Stephen with me today. So, which is a bit of a treat because Stephen's an expert in construction. He'd probably be one of the top 50 project managers in Australia, and he's generally project managing the construction of hospitals and universities. And so he's going to be joining me for some of the videos, just to give you the experts' input. And today we're going to talk about managing your payments with builders. So builders have a tendency to front load their progress claims, don't they?
They do. I think when you actually get a quote from a subcontractor or from a builder, depending which works you're doing, what you need to do is, particularly if the project, I'll give an example, maybe like a plumber. They'll come up at the start of the project, they'll do the first fix, then once the wall linings are done and the tiles are on and things like that, they'll come back and they'll do the second fix. So what you need to do is you need to ask them to break their price up into the relative components, and so you're only paying the portion that's fallen due at that point in time. And you also need to have some understanding of where the cost of the works is, so you're not paying, as Bernadette said, a loaded or a front-loaded amount of money. You need enough there, one, to ensure they're going to come back and complete the works, and make sure that they're responsible for anything that may need to be changed as a result, if there are any errors as a result of that. So you never want to change or use one plumber to do, or this goes for plumbing, electrician, a lot of other trades, where you don't want one person to do one thing and then have a similar trade or the same trade come and do the second fixed component. Because if there's any errors in the first part, you will be paying double for someone to fix the error in the first section. So it's about getting that right, the right mix, and making sure you're not paying any more than what you need to.
Yeah, beautiful.